beautifuls. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for stopping back by my channel today. Today I will be unboxing our FabFitFun Advent Calendar. So my box finally came. This one's pretty big. So this is the 12 days Advent Calendar by FabFitFun, and we're going to get into unboxing this, and this should be pretty fun for us. I can't wait to see what's in there. If you guys don't know, FabFitFun is a lifestyle box. It is a quarterly box, and this is one of the add-on items that you could order at the time I was customizing my box. So this box cost $79 for the Advent Calendar. But if you guys are new here, thanks for stopping by. I do different unboxings of different subscriptions, beauty, and lifestyle boxes. I do post weekly. I hope you enjoy this video. But for now, let's get started. When you open it up, this is what you see. So this is the actual Advent Calendar. This is what it looks like when you first open the box. And it does come with this lovely little card here. And basically it does give you like a checkout code for like your first box. And also tells you what's in the boxes here without us having to work so hard. So guys, according to our little card here, we're going to crack open number 1. This is number 1. Da, da, da. And this should be Bite Beauty. This is a Yay-Sayer Plumping Lip Gloss in the color Cinnamon. So guys, this is the Lip Plumping Lip Gloss and the color Cinnamon Twist. And let's see what this looks like. Let me find a way to get in here real quick. Oh, this is a nice color. It actually has like some sprinkles of like some iridescence in here. I'm gonna just put, oh, look at this, and look how it comes off. You just take it off, and I guess you just twist it, and there's a little hole here, and it actually comes right out of there. How cool. Because that is our first product that we have is a Bite Beauty Plumping Lip Gloss and Cinnamon Twist. So that's cool. And product number 3 is right here on our little card. And what is this supposed to be? Product number 2 is Stone Candle. Smells like Winter Frost Votive Candle. So let's pop that one out. So guys, this is our number 2 on the Advent Calendar, which is the Stone Candle. Smells like Winter Frost Votive Candle. This has a $20 value, by the way. And guys, I almost forgot, the first product we pulled out for the Bite Beauty, that has a is that $25? $25 for this plumping lip gloss. So go figure, but I won't pay $25, but whatever. So guys, we have our lovely little votive here, and you guys know I am a candle connoisseur. I love candles. I love collecting them, apparently. So this is what our candle looks like outside of its box. And it's supposed to smell like winter forest. There is like a pine scent. It's not super strong, but I do smell like a pine scent coming off the cold throw of the votive. Number 3 on our card is the Tangle Tweezer, and it says the original, and that has a $12 value. So let's pop that one out. So I don't have one of these Tangle Tweezers, but I do like to use these in the shower for when I'm detangling my hair. I have another one made up similar to this, and it does a good job, but I've never used the original Tangle Tweezer, so I'll be glad to try this one out. This seems good so far. So far, so good. And number 4 on our little card right here. Let's see what that one is. We have Cover FX Shimmer Veil and Halo. That has a $28 value. Oh. Alright guys, so number 4 is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil and Halo, and I have had a few of their products before. So let me just pop it out the box so I can show you. And what I'm liking so far about this box is at least everything looks pretty full size, except for, well, even a votive candle is fine. I'm cool with that. But I'm liking the sizes of everything so far. So this is the Cover FX in Shimmer Veil, and this is the color Halo, and it looks very iridescent. A very iridescent looking color. So yeah, you can put that on top of like a lipstick or something and give it a little So I can't wait to try that one. So number 5 on our little box here is right here. So we're going to move on to that one. And this is supposed to be Mantra Brand Statement Bracelet, Believe in Silver. And this has a $45 value. Wow. Okay guys, this is number 5, the Mantra Brand Bracelet. And let's take her out. I do like how they give these little dust cloths and everything. And there's like a card in here with some information about the bracelet. So this is the bracelet here, and it says Believe. And I like these little cute little bracelets like this with little sayings on them. I feel like sometimes you just kind of, you know, need a little encouragement. So this is great. And I also think this is a great gift for somebody that you may know as well. So if you don't use everything in your box for yourself, you can always give it out as gifts. All right guys, we're moving on to number 6. Number 6 on our little card here is down here. So I'm going to pluck that one out. Let's see what's behind number 6. It's a 10 Miracle Deep Conditioner plus Keratin. And this has a $24.99 value. So this is a full-size product. Awesome. Awesome. 5 fluid ounces. And this conditioner rather does 10 things. Keratin, protein enriched, deeply moisturizes, superior penetration, smooths the tangles, restores elasticity and strength, protect hair color, prevents split ends, adds shines, and protects the hair from the sun damage. So that's awesome. So I can't wait to give this a whirl on my next wash day. We are on number 7. Where's number 7? Oh, number 7 is the little one. Look, number 7 is the little one here. So number 7, we have Stella Cosmetics Stay All Day Smudge Stick Waterproof Liner and Damsel with a $22 value. So that is this right here. And I am familiar with Stella, and the color is Damsel. And this is how it comes out. And I'm going to just do a quick swatch. Yeah, it's nice black. So this is what we have for the waterproof eyeliner. I think that's great. And our next product is number 8. Number 8 on our little sheet here is the big one. So I flipped that one open already. So this one is number 8. And number 8 is going to be the Surabus Cosmetic Organizer with Mirror. That has a value of $29.99 for the Surabus Cosmetic Organizer with Mirror. And that is right here. I think that is awesome. Oh my. And it says Jewelry Organizer with built-in mirror. And it's compact design for small spaces. It has 12 divided compartments and slots, and a lid and a mirror in here. And it's actually wrapped in plastic. You can see all the 12 slots back here. And then we have the mirror here. And it does fold down. I'm not going to bother to open it. I may give it away as a gift. I'm still trying to decide what I might do with this. I think that's awesome to come in an advent calendar. I've never seen nothing like that come in an advent calendar. And that has a $29.99 value. And we're going to move right along to number 9. So number 9 is right here on our little card. And number 9 is the NCLA Sugar Lip Scrub and Pink Champagne. So that is this product right here. I think that is so awesome that they put a sugar scrub in. I think almost everybody's putting sugar scrubs in. But this is how it looks outside of the packaging. And it does have like a little cover on the top, but this is what it looks like here. So I can't wait to try that. That's pretty awesome that we got a lip scrub. Very much needed this time of the year. And the next product that we have is number 10. So number 10 is down here, guys. And number 10 is Summer and Rose 3-pack cozy sock and 2 scrunchies. And this has a $35 value. And I have already have it out. And this is what it looks like. I love furry socks in the winter time. These are so comfortable, and it came with the scrunchies. Now the scrunchies, I don't care nothing about the scrunchies. I think the socks are awesome. You get three different pairs, so they're very winter themed with the snowflakes and pink, and the other one is just plain red. So I think that is awesome to come in an advent calendar. I'm really happy about at least somebody thought about what to put in here and then give us a bunch of samples, which makes that great. So we're going to move on to number 11. So number 11 is on here. This is number 11 right here. And we're going to pop her open. And number 11 is the Spongel Box Flower and Vanilla Bloom Scent. And it has a $20 value. So this is the Spongel right here. These are very frequent in our FabFitFun. They always sell them even in their sales that they have. They have the Spongels always for sale. So I'm very familiar with them and have used them before. I think they do a great job of sudsing up when you're in the shower. They can be a little rough to use though. Does have a very light vanilla scent. Yeah, very light vanilla scent. So I can't wait to use that. And this is a full size one. This is a regular size one that you would typically buy. And again, this has a $20 value, guys. I think that's awesome. And we are on to our final product for number 12. So, number 12 is this one right here. And we're going to flip it over. And it is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum for $42. So that's the full size one. So this is the product. I have used this product. I believe it came in my BoxyCharm. I used this over the entire summer. I really enjoyed this product, and I actually was thinking, oh, I need to buy this, but I'm like, oh, I don't want to spend $42. So the fact that it came in this advent calendar is awesome for me, because this is something that I've already was using, and I'm glad to now get a refill of it. So that's awesome, guys. The best part that I loved about this advent calendar is that we got full-size products of everything. So there's no minis, there is no travel sizes, there's full-size everything. I think that is the best part. I also like the variety of everything that came in our advent calendar. Very well thought out. I really enjoyed this advent calendar. I thought it was very well thought out. I like the fact that everything is full sizes. That is awesome. So guys, let me know in the comments, what did you like out of here? Did you guys get this advent calendar to try out for yourself? This advent calendar did cost $79. I'm very happy with what's in it. I thought it was a good variety. But I really enjoyed the advent calendar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to like and subscribe. It will help my channel a lot. And you will be able to stay up to date with all my latest unboxings. I do post weekly. And I look forward to having you guys again. And for now, guys, I hope you are having a wonderful day. Stay warm, stay blessed, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for stopping by.